This video will show you how to make your goals a reality by utilizing the boundless and all-pervasive power of your mind capabilities. In this video, we'll examine the law of attraction's effectiveness, as well as how to employ imagination and visualization to manifest your desires. We'll also talk about the value of self-awareness and listening to your heart in order to lead a happy and meaningful life. So, keep watching if you're prepared to unleash the mind's infinite potential and realize your aspirations. You can employ the boundless and all-pervasive power of your mind faculties to manifest your true wishes after you have determined what they are. This is the power of the law of attraction, according to which similar things attract like things. The universe responds by sending you opportunities and circumstances that fit your vibration when you concentrate on what you want and align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with that desire. Believing that your desires are already yours is the key to achieving them. You must have faith in your ability to achieve your goals and your deservingness of them. Imagination and vision are useful in this situation. To attract what you want, you must be able to see, feel, and see yourself already possessing it. Neville Goddard claims that by using a straightforward approach, you may create your goals in as little as 3 days. You must first decide what you want, then see yourself already possessing it. You need to experience the feelings associated with possessing your want and visualize the sensory nuances of what it would be like to live with it. The next step is to visualize a scene in which your wish has already come true. You need to be grateful and content because your wish has already come true. You can build a powerful vibration that draws your want to you by performing this visualization and emotion 3 times daily for 3 days. This is a straightforward but powerful technique for bringing your desires into reality. It's significant to remember that your desires don't always materialize right away or in a straight path. Your wishes could come to you in unexpected ways or at unexpected times because of the complex ways in which the universe operates. It's critical to maintain an open mind to all options and have faith that things will work out for the best. Self-awareness and the willingness to listen to your heart are prerequisites for living a life in accordance with your true needs and desires. To lead a life that genuinely reflects your values and interests, you must be willing to let go of social pressure, cultural norms, and familial expectations. Risk-taking, venturing outside of your comfort zone, and facing your concerns could be necessary for this. But when you live a life that is in line with your actual desires, you'll feel a sense of fulfillment, joy, and purpose that is unattainable through compliance or mediocrity. Living your life according to your own terms is the pinnacle of freedom. We obtain a deeper grasp of our genuine desires and passions when we take the time to learn about ourselves. If we want to uncover our happiness and purpose in life, we must first do this self-discovery. We set out on a transcendent quest to fulfill our greatest aspirations once we have determined what our true wishes are. In order to complete this journey, we must harness the power of our thoughts and employ our souls as carriers of transformational will. The next phase in this process is to picture the result as though it has already happened. The effectiveness of the law of attraction is evident in this situation. We produce a strong energetic vibration that attracts our desires to us when we concentrate on them and visualize having them. But taking this step calls for bravery and a readiness to venture into the unknown. When our actual reality looks so far from our aspirations, it can be difficult to comprehend that we already have them. It needs us to put aside our skepticism and have faith that the universe will fulfill our true desires. The ethereal world of the mind sight enters the picture at this point. We can utilize our imagination in this dimension to create the reality we want. Everything is feasible there, and our only restriction is our own imagination. In this world, we must have the courage to imagine the result as if it has already happened. We need to experience the feelings of having our wishes come true and visualize the sensory nuances of what it would be like to live in that state. We need to imagine a scenario in which our wish has already come true and experience the joy and thankfulness of having it done so. It could be necessary for us to let rid of limiting beliefs and self-talk that prevents us from realizing our true desires. It could be necessary for us to rely on our inner fortitude, perseverance, and faith in our ability to shape our world. But when we act in this way, we unite with the power of the cosmos and widen our access to all of life's potentialities. We start to experience the world differently when we take on the role of co-creators of our reality. It's critical to remember that this procedure is not always simple or straightforward. That can mean facing our concerns and stepping outside of our comfort zones. Even when it seems like nothing is happening, it could be necessary for us to take inspired action in the direction of our aspirations. But when we remain committed to our goals and preserve our confidence in the universe, we begin to witness life's magic come to pass. It's critical to keep in mind that our ideas and self-imposed restrictions, rather than our circumstances, are what restrict our creativity. We may create the fabric of our future and bring about our most cherished goals by harnessing the tremendous power of our imagination. By using the power of our unbounded imagination, we are able to shape our future and create our own reality during this process. With each vivid picture, we send a ripple into the vast ocean of potentialities, calling on cosmic forces to support our highest goals and bolstering our unshakable will to make our dreams come true. We acknowledge the interconnectedness of all things and the unbounded potential that lies at the very center of who we are. We transcend the usual bounds of our daily existence and reunite with the world when we lose ourselves in the imagined reality of our deepest wishes. We acknowledge the interconnectivity of all things and the boundless potential that dwells at the very center of our being, giving in to the ups and downs of cosmic energy. We awaken to our true purpose in this hallowed place, reminded that we are active players and co-creators of our own destinies, via our unwavering faith in our ability to bring our most cherished aspirations into reality. Our awareness merges with the very essence of creation when we are in this enlightened state, and our deepest aspirations are in perfect tune with the vast symphony of the cosmos. In this state, we ascend above the ordinary and enter this world. We begin to realize the profound truth that our dreams are not just random thoughts, but rather guiding lights on the route of our soul's journey through the enchanted landscape of life as we swirl in this ethereal world of synchronicity and serendipity. We must always keep in mind the fundamental truth that underlies all of creation. Everything is possible with God. Each of us possesses this divine ability, which is waiting to be used to effect the most incredible changes. It is not reserved for a small group of people. When our imagination is in harmony with this divine power, it transforms into an irresistible force for creation that may fulfill our most fervent aspirations. We have the right to forge our own futures and mold our own realities, since we are the universe's offspring. We design our own life, control our own destiny, and command our own spirits. We are infused with the holy essence of the cosmos as we emerge from the heavenly womb of stardust and cosmic energy. We are propelled by this mighty force to surpass the boundaries of our present situation and fly to unfathomable heights. Our steadfast faith in our own abilities and the divine power that exists within us is the key to realizing this potential. Weaving the tapestry of our lives with threads of infinite possibilities is only possible thanks to this conviction that we have the power to harness the imagination's boundless energy. We start to discover the limitless potential that is dormant inside us and yearning to be awakened and released upon the world when we venture into the undiscovered territories of our brains. We actively participate in the universe's endless dance of creation and destruction, life and death, chaos and order, rather than simply being passive viewers of its vastness. Weaving our dreams into the fabric of existence and leaving our imprint on the sands of time, our thoughts, emotions, and deeds shape reality itself. So let's accept our divine heritage and set out on this amazing path of self-discovery and transformation, equipped with the knowledge that we are supremely strong, in control of our own destiny, and in fact, universe's children. The power of our imagination and conviction is the key to achieving our dreams and desires. By focusing on the result, immersing ourselves in the feelings of the desired condition, and being faithful to our assumptions, we can pave a path towards the realization of our aspirations, accepting the notion that we are the cause of events and that, with unwavering faith and tenacity, the seemingly impossible becomes possible. Once we realize this potential within us, we have an impact not just on our own lives, but also on those around us. We can start a chain reaction that changes the world by inspiring people to believe in the limitless potential that exists inside each of us. Hence, let us go out on this mystical path of self-realization and manifestation while having faith in the cosmos and ourselves. I appreciate you being a part of my self-discovery and transformational journey. Keep in mind that you have the power to make your greatest ambitions and wishes come true, since you are the architect of your own destiny. Accept your heavenly heritage to realize your boundless potential. For more enlightening material, don't forget to like and subscribe.